See, what happens is Kuala Lumpur is centrally located in the state of Selangor. This is a very important road in Kuala Lumpur. In Malaysia, we call road as Jalan. Actually, Kuala Lumpur is a hub for three things: medical, education, and finance.
Okay. So this arch indicates that we are now crossing. This is coconut.
Penang.
Penang.
On the northern side. Southern part, Malacca and Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Every state in Malaysia, they have something to offer you. Hottest month, where temperature can rise up to 37, even 38.
Oh my God.
Humidity can reach up to 95%.
Okay, so this is coconut.
Tender coconut.
Tender. And what's this spoon for?
You know, there's a white pulp that you need to be scooped and eat its there.
Oh, okay. So that's for the white pulp, yeah?
It's very refreshing, isn't it?
Okay, you have to scoop up the pulp. Can throw this somewhere.
Going to the second place, which is the batik factory.
Batik. And batik means?
It's our national wear.
Okay.
Because Malaysia is a multiracial, we have all kind of people living here.
Yeah.
To make a standard for everybody, batik is there. This is a residential area, sir. It's a very big commercial residential area.
Okay. They have high-rise buildings here.
Yeah,
many of them. Yeah.
Because
Apartment houses are too.
Houses are very expensive.
Okay.
Because it comes with a piece of land, it costs you very much. Even though you look at the houses here, they are old, but their valuation is very high, sir.
Okay.
Here, more people, they will always look forward to have apartments because they are affordable homes.
Okay.
But if you compare Malaysia to any other countries, to Asian countries, we are more on cars rather than motorcycles.
Yeah, you have more cars. Yes.
Because one reason, sir, the weather.
Yes. It's very hot. It's difficult to ride. And
furthermore, the location of the houses, the residential areas, they are very far from to access. So you need like a transportation from point to point. So that's where cars become so useful for them.
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday, you don't find much traffic, much people at the business centers, things like area like that. If you go to the shopping areas, you'll see a lot of people, like Bukit Bintang, KLCC, Kuala Lumpur City Centre. You'll see a lot of people. And every Sunday, it's a day for most of the people to get together with their family members.
Yeah, that's important here.
Because for the whole week, they will be outside working day and night. So it's a day for them to get together with their family.
And Saturday, Sunday is off here. Friday's full day?
Normal working day. Except the lunch break starts from 12 to 2:30, sir.
Only on Friday?
Only Fridays.
So you can pray and
have your lunch together. never knew there's a university until today.
IMU, International Medical University.
Only today I saw it. Oh my goodness, there's a university here. This is why the reason they call Kuala Lumpur the hub for education, medical and finance.
Yeah.
Medical, they try to bring people. You know, those days Asian people, whenever you talk about medical treatment, they always go to Singapore. Now Singapore becoming very expensive. So
Yeah.
we are actually competing with that. We are trying to divert these people to Malaysia. So if you look in Malaysia, we have 3 states which are very well known for these things. Penang, which is on the northern side, southern part, Malacca, and Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Now we have a lot of students coming from everywhere to continue their education here. You know, for PhD, we give scholarships.
That's very nice.
Yeah. So that makes people come to Malaysia for higher education. By their coming, their family members will come and visit them. So hotels, they will be booking hotels.
Yeah.
So there's a revenue for hotel. Then they take in transportation. People like taxi drivers like us, we got a job. So it generates income overall for Malaysia.
That's very wise. Yeah, one person brings a lot of income.
So that's a McDonald's towards your left. You grab the McDonald's, straight we'll fly to your hotel, to your apartment, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So where do I drop?
Wait, I'll drop you.
Okay.
But to be honest, I'm looking forward to see you again, Doctor.
Yeah, definitely. It was lovely meeting you, and
Yes,
it was
very nice.
yeah. So it's not 2-3 hours is not enough. We need a long tour guided by you.
Because to be very truth, you want to see more things, not in Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
Outside Kuala Lumpur. Every state in Malaysia, they have something to offer you.
Yeah.
For example, Penang, which is on the northern side.
Yeah.
Langkawi, beautiful paradise.
Not much tours. How many tours in a day you do?
One.
One.
This is the only tour I'm going to do today for my day.
Okay. And then you're.
After this, good sit down.
And normally, in busy days, you do more than
At least
one.
about 2 or 3.
Yeah. So you're not
One
getting
in the morning, one in the afternoon, maybe one.
That sneeze has droplets, and those droplets they go like up to 1 meter, which is 3.5 foot.
Oh.
So in the car, if someone sneezes, he's sneezing in the span of 3.5 foot, which is I think here. So when someone sneezes, droplets they come out from the mouth, from the nose, they get stuck there. So and they live for more than 24 hours. So if someone else touches it, yeah. And they are just the way in the museum he gave me a sanitizer. He just sprayed it very little, like so that's not enough. You need to make all the surfaces enough sanitizer that you can clean all the surfaces of your hand, especially your tips of the fingers. Yeah, you know, the way I showed you.
Yeah.
So that's another tip, that why you need to clean your hands, because you might be touching the surfaces where the virus is. Someone sneezed over that, you can't identify where the virus is. So that's a tough thing. It's good that people...
What about swimming pool?
No one can sneeze within swimming pool. Yeah.
So no problem.
No problem. So
even the beach is not.
Beaches it's okay, but the surfaces, you know,
Like a
even
metal.
yeah, metal, plastic, your dashboard, your car, someone behind is, because there is another problem that you have a very hot weather outside, and you come and sit in the AC. Now air conditioning will cause temperature change and you will sneeze.
Okay.
So if someone is a carrier,
that is good.
yeah, and this region temperature remains the same all the year. It's just that the humidity increases.
Yeah.
It must be very terrible in June, July. Yeah, I guess.
Actually, this year, let's see, all throughout every year, March, April, May, it will be known as hottest month. Where temperature can rise up to 37, even 38.
Oh my
Humidity
God.
can reach up to 95%. But the problem for this year, it gets hot in the daytime, but unfortunately in the evening, it starts getting rain.
Yeah. So today, this March is really hot.
Yeah, March, April, May is very hot in Malaysia.
Oh, not June, July. June, July is
November,
humid.
December, January, a lot of rain.
Ah. So when do people visit here?
Throughout the year. Because it's a tropical weather. So you see the sun every day. The last country Doctor visited?
The last country I visited was Austria. Yeah.
For how long though?
A week. And I was there in November.
Oh.
Yeah.
Was winter?
Yes, it was almost the winter had started. These are colorful apartments. It's colored up. So many apartment houses.
Yes.
They don't have apartment houses in other cities.
Like, if you go to outside Kuala Lumpur, like different states, you don't see, only in the city you see apartments. Countryside you move towards the houses.
So, which one is the biggest city after Kuala Lumpur?
You can consider Penang.
Penang.
Yeah, Penang. Johor Bahru.
Langkawi is not
No.
big. It's a state.
Yeah. But it's island.
It's an island. It's a tourist resort. So our tour ends today, and Mr. Rahman was very nice. We had a very lovely time. We are back to our destination, and this is his company, Exotic. So can you say bye bye in your language? Okay, and see you soon.
Terima kasih.
Okay, and see you soon.
Jumpa lagi.
Okay, see you soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.